Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create Amazon job account. So for that, open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in amazon.jobs and press enter. This will direct you to this official web page of Amazon job. Here on the Amazon job, you need to click on your job application on the top right. Click that. It will direct you to this page where you will be able to apply or create a Amazon job account. For that, you will need to choose the role that you want to apply for. There are options available. I applied for corporate role. I applied for a role in fulfillment of customer service, and I applied for an internship or new graduate role. You choose a role that you want to create account on Amazon job. Click on that option and you will be moved forward with the processes that need to be fulfilled. This will provide you to this registration page over here. If you are a new one, you need to click on register here for the account of job. Now here you need to provide all the details that has been asked of you. Type in your full name, email address, password for the account, choose the country. Then you need to scroll down and click on this checkbox. I have read the above information and I would like to receive automated text, SMS, email from Amazon. You need to choose your mobile phone number over here and type in the phone number. You need to provide the details over here as well. You can just copy paste it over here. Choose the country code, type in the number and then click on register. Once you click on register, you will be able to create the Amazon job account for yourself right away. So this is how to create Amazon job account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.